I really like the natural lighting throughout the house. Like not a lot of rooms have nice glass windows opened up, letting in the light. Super modern, which is good.
The media room upstairs is a really good idea because it's such a nice little spot and it's open, allows all that light through.
It's really nice, the layout's good. We like the finishes, the high ceilings, good for the kids, lovely.
I absolutely love this place. It's close to everything. Shops, bus stop, the schools, everything is really close by. That's what I love.